Hello everybody, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today it's the Dyson DC33, how to remove the two filters and give them a good clean and then put them back in again. Right, let's get cracking. This is the Dyson DC33 here, and if you've got a loss of suction, it could be because your filters are filthy dirty. It could also be that the brushes need cleaning, and there's a link above now about how to clean the brushes on this vacuum cleaner. Now the first thing you must do is unplug the Dyson from the mains, and then we need to remove the vortex canister. So just push this button down and then lift that off. And the first filter that we're going to remove is this one here. So just pull this clip up on the right hand side and it just pops up. Now you can just lift this filter out and we'll give that a good clean in a moment. Now just have a look inside here, make sure there's no dust or debris or hairs, and make sure you clear any of that out. And the second filter to remove is on the right hand side here. So just push that blue button in and lift it out towards you. Again, have a quick look where it's come from, make sure there's no dirt and debris in here and hairs, just make sure that's all nice and clean. And then this literally just lifts out and you can just flip it over and ew, we've already got a pretty disgusting hairball here. So in my house we've got lots of women with long hair and it really gets clogged up. To just remove any debris you've got in there. Now you can just lift this filter out, and what we're going to do with both of these filters, we're just going to wash these in clean fresh water. Now you can clean these about 10 times in a lifetime, then eventually they will start to degrade and it will be time to buy some new ones, but for the time being we can just give these a wash. So you're just flushing these through with cold fresh water. This hard one here, you can just bash it around, get rid of any dust and debris. Now I'm going to cut this video short, but you need to clean this for a good 2 or 3 minutes. And with the soft one here, just take some running water and just start squeezing it out. Now this one's pretty disgusting. And there's a link above now about how to do full cleaning and maintenance on the Dyson DC33. So that's cleaning all the brushes, removing the vortex and cleaning that, and also cleaning the filters as well, which is what we're doing here. You just keep squeezing it out. You can see how much cleaner it is already. And then once you've finished cleaning it all, if it's the middle of summer, you can just leave them all out in the sunshine. If it's the winter, just leave them on a radiator. And depending on how hot you have your radiators, depends on how long it takes to dry. It does recommend 24 hours. So this is sometime later with the radiators on. And let's just refit those to the Dyson. So with this first filter, just lay it face down. Just push it in very gently, pull that cover down, push it gently and it will just clip in. With this soft filter, just lay it down inside, squeeze it down. And then that goes inside the housing. So just turn it over, push it down. Whilst I'm doing that, there's a link above now about how to clean your UPVC window frames so they stay clean. Now we just need to line it up with that hose connection there. So just slide it in. Don't try and force it, it should just go in very easily until it clicks and then it is in. And there we go. Then we just need to put the vortex canister back on. So just line this up in the middle and then click it in at the top. Now it may look like it's loose at the bottom, but it's designed to be like this, so it's not a problem. And now let's just plug it in and have a quick vacuum. And that is so much better. There is a link above now about how to clean the inside of your thermos flask the easy way. And I'll tell you what, after all that work on the Dyson DC33, it's definitely time for a lovely cup of tea. Oh. If you would like more how-tos on how to save you time and money, then please press the subscribe button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, everyone. If you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification tab.